to promote community rights. And I just want to ask Sino Metals and Rongzin if they do have a mechanism of engaging communities so that they get the right picture of what is happening. I had an opportunity to visit some of the affected areas yesterday, and I think the situation that the community are in is very vulnerable, especially that they have been stopped from consuming their crops and also not to take water. But the supply of food and water is not consistent. And I also just want to find out in the negotiations if there are community representatives. And then to the government, has this situation been declared as a national disaster? We feel that this is a disaster because it is not just affecting humans, but also biodiversity. And we feel that if it is declared as a disaster, then the affected communities will get the right help that they need. And also, lastly, when are we going to get a full report to the extent that this pollution has affected our country? We know that it is on the Copperbelt and most likely central, but which areas? Thank you.
Okay, we've balanced out, so it can be a male or female now. Maybe there.
Thank you very much. I've already been given the mic, so probably I can go ahead. First and foremost, my observation is that all of us here, including the think tanks, we were not so proactive as to avert this calamity, which is existential, because it's not something that is locative or localized. It is going along all life that is along the river. But one other thing that I want to mention, because we have been advocating for the Mine Geological Mineral Authority, which of course the minister indicated that is already in the process of being enacted. That is a plus. What I want to find out is ESG, the Environment and Social and Governance Policy, if it's applicable to the mines or to the mines that are involved in this calamity. Are they aware that there is this policy that is required of them to observe? Because all this, what we are talking about, it is encapsulated into environment, social, and governance. If the company is able to follow that, then I'm sure all this could not have been could not have been taken place. So I want to find out from the Minister of Mines, or even the mines that are involved, if they are aware of the ESG that is around in the mines. Thank you.